Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm gonna unbox this Yamla Wi-Fi smart camera that also works along with Amazon Alexa. So let's see the features that it has got. It has got like 1080 pic full HD, good night vision, two-way talk. That's really important with security cameras nowadays. Motion detection, two-way storage, so that means you can store in cloud as well as in the memory card. IP66 waterproof and dustproof. Well, this is really important, especially if you live in a country like Canada, where you always, in winter season, there are chances for snowfall. So this is the pack. So we're gonna start from here. So I opened the front cover, and this is what I have now. I take it off. I have instruction, cloud IP camera. Then I have got the camera right here, and the good thing is it is already fixed on the stand. Perfect. And I have power cables for it, and I've got so many accessories. So I have got the Wi-Fi antenna, I have got screw and some fitters so that I can fit it, and also I have got this power cable so that I can connect it. So altogether this looks like a really good deal, and you can see here I have the two-way talking capability also over here. So yeah, overall this is a good deal that I have got from Amazon, and it was around $70, 70 Canadian dollars. So it's really good. I'm gonna put it in the rear entry for my house. I'm gonna put this camera over there. Alright guys, thanks for watching.